and Diamonds. It's been a while. Many months. If not almost a year maybe. I'm not sure. But we are out of the hotel and into an apartment, and we are back to life as normal, I guess. As normal as possible. Yeah, so I wanted to do the first video back as a Mary Maxim Club of the Month. I do 3 clubs. I do the Knit Club of the Month, the Crochet Club of the Month, and the Quarterly Sock Club. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in, I believe, April's Knit Club of the Month, stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. So, Mary Maxim is a website where you can go on to and get discounted items and kits. Sometimes they're worth it, sometimes they're not, but it's like a mystery bag to me, so I enjoy it. And pardon all the glare. I'm having to film in the living room today. So, the first kit I got back after the long hiatus is the Knit Club of the Month for, I believe, April. Yeah. So, I just got my notification that my Knit Club of the Month for May, I believe. It may be June. I'm not even sure, guys. But, should be delivered today. So, boom. Guys. Isn't that awesome? It is 2 ducks. It has... I've already opened this one and tried to use it, and at the time we were on a road trip, so it wasn't a very good time to try that. So, yeah, comes with, I believe, 5 of the yellow, little orange for the beak and feet, blue for the hat and vest, and a purplish for the hat and dress for the girl. Yep. So, the yellow looks like it's meant for possible amigurumi, or the front it has a baby doll on it with yellow hair. I don't know. So, if you look, it is machine washable up to 30 degrees Celsius, which I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but you know, we can figure that out. It is a 50-gram ball, and it's 100% micro polyester. Really soft, very soft. So, yeah. Then I just balled that one back up because, yeah, couldn't find my yarn baller. Alright, and this here is the Bundi, I guess. Looks like it's for hats usually. It does have the stamp of Ortec text. Yep, and it says it's a, here we go, 100-gram ball, and it is 100% polyacrylic. It's pretty soft too. I mean, it's not the softest, but you know, it's for a dress, for a toy. And we got the purple. We'll see what color the blue was. Color 8, I guess. yeah, that's it. So, and this is the purple. Let me turn it right for you. 100 grams, Vortex approval. And it is the color 909. Yeah. And then we have this really pretty orange right here. Looks a little brighter on camera, but it's a little darker. Not too dark. But yeah. And it also comes with your safety eyes, which this is enough to make both ducks. I'm gonna stick this back in here, and then I'm gonna pull out the pattern and see what all is going on with that. It's a mess right now, guys, let me tell you. All right, so here's the pattern. It's showing the back side of her and her tail. Look at her little tail. Isn't she so cute? Anyway, I'm not going to show the inside of the pattern because, you know, it looks like we need, it says size 14 single pointed needles and, no, 14-inch single pointed needles, and size 8, which is a 5mm. Then we need 8-inch double pointed needles in size 6 and size 8. So that's a 4 and a 5mm. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of instructions. There's like 8 pages. So, yeah. But anyway, guys, this is the knit club of the month for either April or May. Don't know. Didn't see very many of these on YouTube yet, so I figured I'd show you. Yeah. So, if you like to see, if you would like to see more videos, more videos of the Mary Maxim unboxings, I do have a couple more videos planned, like whip videos and where I'm at now and what's going on. But yeah. That sounds interesting, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It's free, no cost at all. So here's the end of the videos where I always say, please tell the people in your life you love them. You never know if you're ever going to get another chance. All right, guys, bye.